We gather here today on this beautiful beach to witness and celebrate the uniting of marriage of Danielle and Michael as they take their first steps of a new life as husband and wife. The ability and desire for one human being to love another is perhaps the most precious and fulfilling gift that has ever been entrusted to us.
Danielle, from the first time I met you, I knew that I wanted to be with you for the rest of my life. I can't be more proud to be your husband. When I saw you, I knew that I wanted to be with you. We've been through so much together. Just being around you makes every day a great day. I love you so much, and I'm so happy this day is here.
Hi babe, I just wanted to say I love you and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. You've been my rock for 4 years and my best friend, and we've created a beautiful life together, and I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives in happiness. And I just love you so much. I can't wait to be your wife.
Loving someone is a reason to stretch beyond our limits, to become more for the sake of one another. It is to look into the soul of your beloved and accept what you see. Loving is an ultimate commitment that challenges humans to be all of what they are meant to be. Michael and Danielle would like to take this moment on their wedding day to remember some very special people who could not be here today and joy in the beauty of this day. Danielle and Michael, I want you to look at the hands you are holding. These are the hands of your best friend who you're holding their hands on your wedding day, promising to love and work together as you build your future. These are the hands that will give you the strength when you need strength, the tenderness when you need tenderness, and the love when you need love. These are the hands that will countless time wipe the tears from your eyes, tears of sorrow and tears of joy. These are the hands that will hold with all you your love. And lastly, these are the hands that even when they're wrinkled in age, will still reach for yours, still giving you the same unspoken tenderness with just a touch.
I, Michael, take you, Danielle, to be my wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and health, to love and cherish, for as long as we both shall live. This is my solemn vow.
I, Danielle, take you, Michael, to be my wedded husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, for as long as we both shall live. This is my solemn vow.
It is my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Michael, you may kiss your bride. Family and friends, may I introduce to you for the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Gallagher.
I are not sisters by blood. I consider her to be my little sister. The first time we met, she actually needed a ride home from Canopy Lake, and she was literally a child. Looking back, it's hard to believe that we made it to this day. Danielle is no longer Kevin's little sister. She's grown up, she's a mom, and today she became someone's wife. What would I give to live where you are? What would I pay to stay here beside you? What would I do to see you smiling at me? Where would we walk? Where would we run if we could stay all day in the sun? Just you and me, and I could be part of your world. To Danielle and Michael.
Danielle, I couldn't be more happy that you met my dad. You made him the happiest that I've ever seen him, and I couldn't have asked for anything more. What more could a son ask for than to see his dad happy? You've given me another family, a brother, the brother I've never had. Been great to have him and to watch him grow into what he's becoming, to watch you guys grow into the family that you guys are becoming. I love you both very much. I hope you guys find nothing but happiness on this new journey that you have embarked on as Mrs. and Mrs. Gallagher. So if everyone could raise their glass, please. And congratulations to you guys. I love you both very much.